I'm Kristen Miglore, and today we're making a homemade ranch dressing that is extra light and tangy and fresh thanks to yogurt. The great thing about this recipe is that you can make it just kind of as is for a straight up ranch experience, or you can mix in kind of anything you want. Coming from California, it's a little bit of a point of pride because that's where ranch originally came from. I don't want to say that we eat it on more things than other people, but we eat it on a lot of stuff. All of these fresh herbs are just bringing a different aroma and brightness to it and replacing the dried seasoning packet vibe of the ranch that we think of. Most important ingredient is yogurt. Just do it modestly, a little at a time. So just a few more things. Lemon juice, or in this case we're using white wine vinegar. And now we get to start shaking and kind of adjust from there. It's already looking ranchy. It's very herby, but we're gonna add more buttermilk to tweak the consistency. I'm not gonna use all of this to begin with. Okay, use just a little salt and pepper. Optionally, if you wanna just round it out a little bit, you can do a little bit of honey. That's really good. I love the tanginess of this, and it kind of reminds me of like a labna or raita or any of these like really tangy, great yogurty dips. It's that with some ranch flair on top of it. Okay, so that is our homemade yogurty ranch dressing. From here, you can take it into whatever directions you want. I'm gonna show you a spicy version and a very umami-y version. This one, we're gonna make spicy by adding some sriracha. Ooh. I think it's getting. This one is gonna be our umami special ranch with miso. That one's really good. Just a little extra salty, rounds it out a little bit more. Now we have 3 different kinds of ranch, we can have a party.